Alright guys, today we're going to do something a little different here at Wackey Worx. My wife is going to turn a pen. We're going to turn it. I'll do the commentation throughout the turning, but I'll let her do the turning and we'll see how it goes. See you in the video. We got this blank from Woodcraft. It was a resin blank in the clearance title. She's shaping the edge down with her carbide shaper. And she does the edges first to keep from chipping it out. She gets it down to shape, and then she's going to sand it down, starting with 80 grit and working her way through the grits until she gets to 400. She does a lot of sanding both ways, therefore getting rid of the scratch lines. There's a good video about that by Jake Thompson. I'll leave a link to that above. Right here she's going to use some Triple E. That also helps get rid of the micro scratches, and it's kind of a buffing compound as well. Here she's using some buffing compound. She spins it at a pretty high rate. Uses 2 different grits to polish the blank. And then of course here we're putting some lacquer on it for a final finish. After allowing it to dry, she starts the assembly process. She has these push points that she can put on the lathe and allow it to push it without harming the blank or the pen kit. The key at this is keeping it straight so it pushes into the blank completely straight. Sometimes this takes a little bit of finagling to get it in there right, but once you do, it's stuck. So for the final assembly, she's looking at the pen. Notice that she could have clipped a little bit higher right there, but all in all, it looks like a pretty good pen. I'll leave some stills at the end. Remember, if you like what you see, like, comment, and subscribe. And we hope to see you in the next one. Till then.